is an acclaimed academician and innovator. Dr. Himadri Nath Shah is currently an assistant professor and head of Department of Computer Science, Calcutta University. He received his PhD from Jadavpur University and completed his ME from IIST Shivpur and BE from Jadavpur University. He has also earned an MBA and is the author of several popular textbooks, including Database Management System. Dr. Shah has received numerous awards, including Gold Faculty Award, Best Faculty Award, Best Innovative Faculty from Infosys, and Best Research Contribution Awards. He is a senior member of IEEE, Fellow of IETE, IEI, and has delivered over 60 international and national invited talks across USA, Germany, Canada, and India. His recent innovations include drone-based AI systems for pest control, IoT-integrated soil analysis apps, and secure routing protocols for management. He has authored over 150 research papers, holds 8 patents, and has published extensively in Scopus and SCI Index journals. Please give a warm welcome to Dr. Himadri Nath Shah. I request Dr. Usha Gogoi ma'am to please come and felicitate Dr. Shah. Thank you ma'am, thank you sir. Today, Dr. Shah's talk is titled Revolutionizing Healthcare with AI, Innovations and Future Directions.
So, okay, it's done. So, I'm audible now? Hello? Is it okay? Thank you. Thank you, ma'am, for nice introduction. First of all, just sorry that whatever title you told, this is not my talk today. So just I have changed, yes. So I have changed this one to a very interesting topic. I think you will like this topic because the concept is very new one, because I am working with one company called Twin. It's a German-based company. So where we actually simulated our human brain. So I took the data from real life of a particular person, and today I will show you that how we can simulate a human brain. There are many things we have. So my title is a little bit different today. It's basically healthcare is the main domain, but the title is a little bit different. It's data to decision, integrating IoT and AI in the technology called digital twin. That is my topic today. Okay, before going to that, so I must congratulate the entire organizing committee of your university for organizing such a nice and wonderful and relevant and contemporary faculty development program. And also I would like to thank Professor Mukherjee for inviting me for giving a talk. So I told earlier once, right? So with Shruti, so once again, so let's see what happened today. So I'll come by one. Please listen carefully. It's absolutely a new one. The concept is called the digital twin.
technology. Everything around us is evolving at a rapid pace, and healthcare is no exception. Traditional healthcare approaches are often reactive, fragmented. And heavily paper-based, which can delay diagnosis and limit personalized treatment. In response, digital twin technology has emerged as a transformative solution. By creating real-time, data-driven, and personalized virtual replicas of patients or systems, digital twins go far beyond the capabilities of traditional tools. They enable proactive care, continuous monitoring, and smarter clinical decisions, paving the way for a more efficient, predictive, and patient-centered healthcare system. So, to understand digital twin technology in more detail, let's dive into the presentation.
So this is my topic, from data to decision. So integrating IoT and AI through digital twin technology in healthcare. Okay. So what is digital twin? So what is digital twin? It's basically the replica of any physical thing is called digital twin. Replica of physical thing. It's not a theoretical model, mathematical model of anything. It's basically a replica. Okay? So now I will tell you that why people thought about the digital twin. Because let's say I'll take an example of healthcare. So where generally, let's say if we have a problem in a brain, okay, and someone or any doctor wants to do a surgery. So what happens whenever a doctor do the surgery? So the entire brain to a particular doctor is new. So when opening a skull, you can see your brain. Only the known data is your MRI or EEG, whatever be the cases. So that is why if you have a pre-knowledge of the particular brain or any kind of things, so doctor can know about that what brain is at all. And what if you have a pre-study, then doctor can easily do the surgery. Okay? So that is the thing, because before giving an exam, if you can have a read of a book, right? So then what will have? If you have a good knowledge of that, then you can write very well the exam. So that is the thing. So that is the digital twin all about. That means that rather having the thing that so do the direct intervention, if you have a pre-study of it, so then you need what? That is called twin. So this is called digital twin. Why? Because it is a replica of a physical device. Replica of physical device. It's not any kind of theoretical model because we have some simulation of that, but not like that. It's absolutely the physical thing. Replica of physical thing. But where from we get the data of physical things? So that you need IoT and AI, whatever I will discuss. So that is the thing. So the digital twin technology refers to a virtual replica or digital representation of physical object, system or process system. It's a dynamic and real-time model that mirrors the behavior characteristic performance of its physical counterpart, enabling simulations, predictions and optimizing and real-world activity. That is all about digital twin. It is very, very new because people are still working on that. If it is possible to have the replica of that, so let's say I'll tell you, let's say if you have a university, right? So if you can have a replica of that, okay? And then you can study that what thing may happen, right? What is the future of this university, kind of this. So that is the idea. It's somewhat related to a virtual reality. So we can predict the future. That is the digital. So there are many applications. So the most of the cases people are looking for, the application is basically the healthcare applications. So that's why I have chosen this topic, because it's very, very interesting. I have a live demo of it. Then you can understand that what is a digital twin, how we can simulate the entire body of a human in a real world. So that is our objective today. So this is a different area. So I will come one after another. First is why. Why we need this concept is called the digital twin. The first one is that is personalized and precision medicine. Suppose as you know that different human having different characteristics, the body characteristics. So there is a company called Twin. So I am working for Twin. So what they are doing, let's say we are very much fed up with the diabetic, right? We used to take medicine, and we are basically take medicine after certain years, some of the organ damage and many things. The company called Twin, what they are doing, so they are plugging a device with your hand and try to find your metabolic characteristics of the body. Metabolic characteristic body means, being suppose whenever you are having pizza, there will be no sugar spike. But when me having a pizza, my sugar spike is very high. So that's why the body to body, human to human, the characteristics of metabolism, all the different health components vary. That is the basic understanding. So that's why you need the personalized and the precision medicine. That means, let's say for example, for a cancer patient, if you have a pre-study of that, the entire body study and the tumors and all these things, right? So in that case, what will happen? We can control the dose, and even if you can test that if you have that amount of dose for a chemo, then what will happen in future? So we accordingly can control the dose of a particular chemotherapy. So that is the main thing about the personalized and precision medicine. Is it getting me what I'm saying? So I'll repeat once more. The main objective is that whenever you study or any kind of, let's say, cancer patient is very, because as you know, the chemotherapy is not good for health. So if you have an idea before that, okay. Oh, it's Google Meet, right? So I think I have to share it my presentation. What happened that if I present, so I think there is another yes. Yes, yes.
Then what I need to do is
This is the brief. Yes, yes. Hello, hello.
You don't want to